Hi there, language learners. Today, we're going to learn the pronunciation of a very important word, appraisal. An appraisal is an examination of someone or something in order to judge or determine how good or successful they are. Appraisal has 3 syllables. Appraisal. To help you with the pronunciation, use this as a guide. Appraisal. The stress falls on the second syllable, appraisal. Try to say it with me, appraisal. Now, let's use it in a sentence. The bank conducted an appraisal of the property's value. In this case, the bank needs to know how much the property is worth. Great job. With practice, you can confidently use appraisal in various situations. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to click the like button for this video. And remember to subscribe so you can receive more pronunciation tips. See you.